If the history of the world was mapped on a 24-hour clock, the human race would appear in the last second. And if the average blink takes about 300 milliseconds, your life, my life, would literally happen in less than a blink of an eye. So, in your milliseconds here, do you have the time? The time to sink your teeth into Cuban sandwiches, be disappointed with East Coast ramen, buy overpriced Belgian fries and underpriced New York pizza slices, try Chik-fil-a for the first time, and go back a second time a day later, eat greasy food at Waffle House at 12 a.m., 3 a.m., on a Sunday night, learn to make s'mores dip, Korean barbecue, fried chicken, overfill on too many plates of endless sushi, get fried pickles and sunny side ups on rare burgers on rainy days? Do you have the time? The time to forgo the homework and speed down dark, desolate dirt roads to see yesterday night's meteor showers, stroll into the city to find fancy bathrooms, art exhibits nestled inside hotels, carve a pumpkin and a couple more, and run into the forest to walk on rickety bridges and in a shower of leaves? Get your ass kicked in bowling on the day you're supposed to be the most thankful? Do you have the time? The time to find family and be loved? Do you have the time to just breathe and be thankful? Because one blink, less than that, and it'll all be gone.